Up first this evening, a Westmoreland woman is facing multiple charges following the discovery of a corpse inside her home.
TVJ News understands that the decomposing body is that of an elderly woman she cared for and with whom she had formed a bond.
But as Kimberly Petty reports, it's believed the woman died 2 years ago.
A pall of gloom hung over the community of Old Hope District in Westmoreland on Tuesday. The roads were empty as residents remained inside their homes. They have been trying to make sense of what had transpired in their usually quiet community days ago. This is the house where Miss Viola Destin's decomposed body was discovered on Sunday, July 6. TVJ News understands that her caretaker hid her body and covered her remains under a tarpaulin. We came to the community and spoke to residents who expressed a shock that she died close to 2 years ago.
I'm shocking myself, my friend. I can't even say nothing further. Because from me growing up, this you guys first me ever say this. It's really bad. You know, say when the family, them, all the family them feel now. Them not going to be them family, they're not going to feel good. You say they really do that to a old man like that, you know.
The deceased woman has been identified as Viola Destin from Big Bridge in the parish. According to police reports, the now deceased woman, who is said to be in her early 70s, was introduced to the caregiver by a church sister in 2023 after learning that she had no relatives to care for her. The police report further stated that the woman later died on December 10, 2023. However, the caregiver did not report her death as she told the police the woman was not saved and she does not want her to go to hell. She also told investigators that God told her to keep the body and that the elderly woman would be resurrected on Sunday, July 6, the same day the police made the discovery after being alerted by someone who visited the house. Another resident told TVJ News that she was surprised to learn of this.
Come no know she is that type of person. Come here tell us that she loving. So me no know what take her over really. No, no, she's a nice woman. Yes, and me feel shame about what she do. Like I never take her over. All the while me down me yard, me hear me nice spirit up there.
Another resident expressed disgust that the woman was robbed of a proper burial.
It's not nice, because I must everything in my door or something. We can have him in there.
So when you heard that, were you like?
Yeah, we have shock. We hear that because we live so close or whatsoever, and all of in our community and we never knew of that.
From pictures, the body appeared to be well preserved. We put the issue to a funeral home operator.
Sometimes when the bodies are embalmed, it takes several years for the body to decay. However, sometimes even if it's not embalmed, factors are rarely that the fluid inside the bodies are drained out. I'm still thinking about it, very surprised also, given the fact that it's under a roof where I would say the temperature really is a factor of it, where maybe it was stored cool or maybe because of I would say it embalmed. Does that body look embalmed to me?
However, he highlighted that it is illegal for persons who aren't funeral home operators to have access to the embalming fluid. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.